Exercise 12-19. This one is a mortgage payable. We're also going to do an amortization schedule. Kellerman Company purchased a building and land with a fair market value of $550,000. The building was $425,000 and the land was $125,000 on January 1st of 2018. Kellerman signed a 20-year 6% mortgage payable. Kellerman will make monthly payments of $3,940.37, round to 2 decimal places. And they want the mortgage payable issuance, so when they bought the land, building and land, an amortization schedule, and the first and second payments. Okay, so on January the 1st, this is number 1, on January the 1st of 2018, we bought building and land. Our building was $425,000, land was $125,000, and we issued a mortgage payable for it all. So $550,000. All right, number 2 wants an amortization schedule. Mine sometimes looks a little bit different from the book, so if you're looking in the book, it's the same. My columns are just usually a little different. All right, so this is my payment number or date. So this is January 1st of 2018. Then I'm going to have cash paid, the amount to interest, the amount to the balance, and then the balance. All right, on January 1st of 2018, that's when they first took the note out. So that's the $550,000. Okay, don't write anything else in that top line. All right, then on January 31st, I'm going to make my first payment of $3,940.37. Okay, some of that is going to go to interest. So the interest, remember it's 1 month, so it's going to be the interest rate. So it's going to be 6% times 1/12. All right, times the balance. So I'm going to write it down here. I'm going to do 550 times 6% times 1/12. So 2750. All right, then you subtract that. So 3940 minus the 2750. The amount to the balance is $1,190.37. All right, and then you subtract that from the balance. To get the new balance. All right, then the next payment is February 28th. All right, the cash part stays the same. All right, the interest component is going to be off the 548. So 548, 809.63 times 6% times 1/12. So 2744.05. All right, subtract that from the amount that was paid. All right, and that's the amount that's going to the balance. Then you subtract that from the 548. And you're left with a balance of 547,613.31. All right, they didn't ask for it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do March's. Then March 31st, your payment is $39.40.37. All right, your interest is based off the $547. Okay, so you find the interest, subtract that from the cash paid. That tells you how much is going against your principal or your balance. Subtract that from the 547. And the new balance is 546,411.01. And you continue like that every month for the next 10 years. Oh, we're not done. All right, so now we do the journal entries. Now you can just pick your journal entries up off of here. So at January 31st of 2018, you're going to use this information right here. So we're making a payment on a note. So I'm going to debit the note, the mortgage, sorry. I'm going to debit the mortgage payable. And I'm going to debit it for the amount that I have to balance. So $1190.37. My interest expense is going to be the $27.50. And cash is going to be the $39.40.37. Then 228. You're going to have basically the same thing, and you're going to pick the numbers up off the table once again. So same journal entry, mortgage payable, interest expense, and cash. And then the numbers come from here. So mortgage payable is the $1196.32. Interest is the $2744.05. And cash is once again the $390.40.37.